In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start taking meeting notes in Notion. If you're new to Notion or you've only been using it for simple pages, taking meeting notes inside Notion is a great way to stay organized, keep everything searchable, and make sure your team can easily find what was discussed and decided. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the very first actions you need to take to get your meeting notes going. First, open Notion on your computer or in your browser and go to the workspace where you usually keep your work documents. On your sidebar or in your main workspace, look for the meeting icon or the section that represents meetings. This is often set up as a dedicated page or database for all of your meeting-related content. Go ahead and click on that meeting icon. By doing this, you're essentially telling Notion, this is where I want all my meeting notes to live. Having one central place for meetings helps you avoid scattered notes across random pages or apps, and it makes it much easier to search later on. Once you're inside the meetings area, you'll usually see two main options. You can either create a new meeting or select an existing meeting from the list. Let's walk through both so you know when to use each one. If you're preparing for an upcoming meeting that doesn't have a page yet, click on the option that says New Meeting. This will create a fresh meeting entry or page. From here, you can start by giving your meeting a clear title, such as Weekly Team Sync or Client Update Call. You can also add the date, time, and any participants or tags your workspace uses. Setting this up before the meeting starts gives you a clean place to type your agenda and capture notes in real time. On the other hand, if the meeting is already in your system, maybe created by a teammate or scheduled through an integration, you don't need to start from scratch. Instead, look through the list or database of meetings and click on the one you're about to attend or want to review. Selecting an existing meeting lets you continue where you or someone else left off, keeping all the context together in a single place. From here, you can start typing your agenda, jotting down key points during the conversation, and adding action items or decisions as they come up. The important part is that you've learned how to get into the meeting section and either create a new meeting note or open one that already exists, which is the foundation for building a reliable habit of documenting